initiative taken by the CCBI Communio to assist the rural diocese and the mission places with the projects to assist them in their mission of evangelization. And slowly it was started in 2017, and slowly they started from past 3 years, like bringing up youth, those who are opting for the missions to become missionaries. And that is how you see some of the missionaries. We already have 96 youth from different parts of India who have opted to live a missionary life. And that is how already we finished 3 batches. And after each batch, they are sent for the mission exposure program. That is one of the criteria to give them the taste of mission. And I think first batch went to Itanagar diocese. And the second and third batch are here, some of them. And I'm sure that many were there to come, but God had something amazing plans. And I would like all of the 7 of them to come here. And I will tell you what is the significance of their coming here and God's purpose. Because God is a plan and purpose for everyone's life. The first time when we decided to come to Tura Diocese, we just connected to Father Vincent. And it is said, when you're filled with joy, it overflows with love. And when you're filled with love, it overflows with God's blessings. And when you're filled with God's blessings, you yourself become a blessing. And that is what we have seen in Father Vincent. From the day 1 onwards, when we connected to him over the phone, he has been a blessing to us in various stages of our communication and conversation. And Father Stephen Alatara, the Deputy Secretary and the Director of Communio, Father Vignan Das, myself and all volunteers, we thank you for giving an opportunity to opt for Tura Diocese. It's all because of the positive note that you showed to us. And from that day on, when we reached here, it was really a surprise with Father Benjamin. The warm welcome and the hospitality that they showed us, we really felt at home. And it's a beauty that when all of us believing Jesus, coming together, proclaiming Jesus, brings such a joy for each one of us. The first thought that came to me is, there are 9 fruits of the Holy Spirit. And we are 9 of us. And we had reflection yesterday, we had the spiritual reflection. So we thank God for giving us this opportunity, and Father Vincent, Father Benjamin, the Secretary of the Bishop. And
it's a simple song. J is for Jesus. I hope some of you know it. Okay, I'll try. Maybe first time we are trying to the guitar also. J is for Jesus. O is for others. And Y is for you. J is for Jesus. And O is for others. And Y is for you.
okay, we want
It's for Jesus. And O is for others. Y is for you. J is for Jesus. And O is for is for Jesus, and O is for others, and Y is for you. J is for Jesus, and O is for others, and Y is for you.
Come on, guys!
It's for you. J is for Jesus, and O is for others, and Y is for you. श्राप मेरे चलते बन गए।
दिल में ऐसे बस गए, जिंदगी भर के लिए राजा बन गए, जीवन में ऐसा काम कर गए, पाप मेरे श्राप मेरे चलते बन गए।
दिल में जा में होठों पे आंखों में तू है, होठों पे आंखों में तू है, दिल में जा में होठों पे आंखों में तू है।
जंजीरों में जो जकड़ा हुआ था, तोड़कर उनको आजाद है किया। तुम दिल में ऐसे बस गए, जिंदगी भर के लिए राजा बन गए, जीवन में ऐसा काम कर गए, बाप मेरे श्राप मेरे चलते बन गए। होठों पे आंखों में तू है, दिल में होठों पे आंखों में तू है, दिल में
जा में होठों पे आंखों में तू है, तू है। तू ही है राजा, तू ही है,
तू ही है, तू ही है,
तू ही है,
तू ही है, तू ही है, तू ही है। होठों में आंखों में तू है, दिल में जान में, होठों में आंखों में तू है, दिल में जान में, होठों में आंखों में तू है, दिल में जान में, होठों में आंखों में तू है, दिल में जान में, होठों में आंखों में तू है।
Prayer, solidarity, mission.